So hello guys, welcome to this video, and today in this video we are going to the market of a Czech Republic, and actually I want to buy a few of the stuff there, so we'll be comparing few of the prices there. So for that I'll be taking you to that market. You might have seen my previous videos, so that video I have shown you the markets and the Forum City Center near to the Liberec bus stand. So today we are going there, and specifically the Tesco market is available in that complex. So we are going to that market and I'll be buying few of the stuff. So meanwhile I'm going to show you how the grocery items are, food items, whatever we are using on a daily basis that we will get in Czech Republic on that specific market, and also few of the basic Indian items which we usually get in Indian stores but we don't get in Czech stores. So what are those items? So every little detail information I'm going to cover in this video. So for that, please stay tuned till the end of this video. This is the same route which connects my hostel and the nearest bus stand. So we are going to the bus stand called University Nicolea. This is the Tesco mall. You might have seen in my previous video. So now we are again going into this mall, and we have to go to this Tesco market. This is the supermarket like we have in India, D-Mart. This is the Tesco market. So we are in Tesco market, and these are the stuffs. These are the dry snacks section. You will get a different varieties of dry snacks here. This Czech Republic, you will get a plenty of brown bread, wheat bread varieties. These are the breads. This is a tortilla. Generally we use this for vegetable wraps, but I'm using it for the Indian chapati, Indian naan you can say. So the prices of this 48 crores, almost 130 rupees of each packet. So we'll get 4 pieces of naan in one packet, or maybe 5 pieces of naan. Strawberry yogurt. Actually this tastes better. I personally like this, so I'm going to buy 3. This is the variety of cheese, mozzarella cheese. 125 grams of cheese, mozzarella cheese, you will get at 20 crowns. That means almost 60 rupees. These are the varieties of curd. See, a lot of varieties of curd. In India we have only one simple, like there is no any added flavor, but here you will get a different varieties of curd with a different added flavors. Here you will get different varieties in Kinder Joy. This one, this one. This Choco Fresh is at 29 crowns, and this Kinder Joy, maybe this is a bar, chocolate bar, is at 16 crowns. Here we have butter, 67. So this is the butter. I'm going to buy this one. This is a 90 crowns. You will get different varieties of butter, like grama with butter. This is a natural ingredient. This is the butter actually. This is, I guess, something vegetable butter. In India we usually call it as dalda. So mistakenly I was buying this one, but I should buy that one. So I'm going to buy this one. It's 90 crowns. You will get different varieties of the bread spread here. So probably I always go for this garlic bread spread. Smoked garlic bread spread. This is it. So this is the garlic bread spread. Actually the prices are not mentioned here for this one. I'll make it confirm. Other than this, all grocery, like we have a lot of grocery ahead, but these are some fries, like frozen fries. I won't tell you like for my experience, like for the students, whoever is coming from any other country, you will get everything here. Like I'll show you. See, this is the lentils. This is the wheat. This is suji. You can make it upma out of it. This is dal. This dal. Almost you will get everything here. This rack is specially dedicated for the Indian lentils, rice, everything. You can see the rates as well. So if you consider this dal is you can consider. So the price of this one is 32. So that means 100 rupees for 500 grams. So the half kg dal is at 100 rupee you can consider. So the 200 will be 1 kg. So that's great, I guess. If the same dal, if you would buy from German market, if you go to Germany and if you try to buy this one, then it will cost you around 500. Green peas. So green peas is at like 16 kg, like 100 rupees kg. 16. So this is the prices. So these are the prices. So this is a rajma, kidney beans. This is rajma, kidney beans. This is a 450 gram of packet. So this you will get it at
34. That means 210 rupees kg, 200 rupees kg, 210 rupees kg. Here they are mentioned.